Welcome to AntMyERP. This video shows how to manage ASP Business on AntMyERP. ASP is Authorized Service Provider. As an authorized service provider of any OEM, the business needs to be managed. Give a quotation to that OEM. Manage that OEM's call and handle the spare part. To do all that, first of all, quote the OEM. Click on Quotation. The quotation will open. Click on the plus sign in the right-hand side. A quotation of ASP needs to be given. Select ASP. Fill the ASP form. Enter the details of OEM. The SLA. A grade. B grade. C grade. Any type of grade can be created. Here will be the category. The category in which the bill will be paid. The category in which the service support will be paid. Select that category here. Add the labor charges. A grade, B grade, C grade can all be selected here. Once the quotation is made, convert it to contract. This means the service support is paid for 1, 2, or 5 years. In ASP Business, this is non-comprehensive, and only the labor is included. Our engineers will go and attend the call. And if the problem is solved, the report is uploaded. If the problem is not solved and there is requirement for spare part, the requirement is informed to the OEM. Once this contract is converted, whenever there will be a call from OEM, click on the service ticket and block the call for service. The service call of the normally contracted customers is blocked in a different way. ASP is blocked in a different way because the end user calls here. The OEM blocks the call, and then it calls its ASP. Select any OEM's name here. Enter the details of that OEM. From which, how many calls are coming from which OEM will be known. Add the product. Here are the details of the end customer. For example, there is an end user called Yogesh, who had taken a laptop of HP. And that HP's standard Infotech is a service provider. So Yogesh logged the call in HP. The service provider is going to attend the call. Here are the details of Yogesh. This call will be assigned to whichever end user. This way, the call can be blocked. How many service calls are pending on today's date can be seen. It can be OEM or the contracted customers. Breakdown call will be shown in all. The total spending on today's date can be seen here. ASP Business-wise is shown here. The delay going on in ASP Business can also be seen here. Select Delay ASP here. And in System there is a total service where, in which OEMs, the calls that have been received in a month can be seen in the reports here. Click on Total Service. ASP type-wise opens. ASP calls that are pending. And OEM's calls that are pending are visible. So here OEM's name is visible. Serial number. End customer's name. Whose call is going to be attending. The location. When it was logged and created can all be seen. So this was OEM. And its end customer is RK Computer, where the call needs to be attended. Secondly, to see the delay, select Service and click Search. The ASP can be seen. The name of the OEM's company. The spending. On the first day, second day, and even more than 7 days can be seen. The engineer can be pushed to close the case on time, so that OEM gives more business. This is the total service report, where the status-wise data is shown. The to and from wise data is also shown. For example, select a date, OEM-wise data, engineer-wise data, vendor-wise data, and call type-wise data can be searched. All the service parameters are dumped here. This is a lengthy report. It can be downloaded and shared with the OEM. Here is the ticket number, name of the company, location, state, last month. The call can be attended here. When it was logged, created, sold, the SLA time, and here is the OEM approval number. If there is a requirement of a spare part, it is given to OEM. Then OEM will either give the part or approve it. This part is approved. Now the case has to be closed. This way, the ASP business can be managed and submit a perfect report to OEM. And at the end of the month, which OEM is supported, in which number of calls, and according to that, it can also be billed. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.